Ever wondered how to create your very own 3D action figure? Imagine taking your favorite character, celebrity, or even a completely unique creation and turning them into a custom action figure completely for free. No apps required. With Chatgpt, you can easily bring your vision to life in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, grab your device and open your browser. Head over to chatgpt.com. It's that simple. Once you're on Chatgpt, find the chat box and get ready to start creating. We'll guide you through the process of turning your idea into a 3D action figure using just a prompt. I've included an example prompt below to make it easier for you. You can tweak the prompt to match your character's personality, or change the accessories, add specific details, or even design a whole new character from scratch. The possibilities are endless. Now, simply copy and paste the prompt into the chat box. Hit send and wait for the magic to happen. Depending on your connection speed, it might take just a moment. And soon enough, you'll have your custom 3D action figure ready to go. That's it. You've created a mini masterpiece without spending a dime. Now, it's time to share your creation. Drop your action figure images in the comments or on social media. Smash that like, subscribe our channel for more AI tips. Level up with AI bypass link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas and AI fun. See you next time.